First, let's start simple. Type Nmap followed by an IP like 192.168.10.1. Your router's IP works if you're testing at home. Quick reminder, only scan stuff you own or have permission for, cause hitting random IPs without consent is a no-go legally, and we're keeping it clean. Hit enter, and Nmap scans the top 1,000 ports. You'll see what's open, like HTTP on 80 or SSH on 22, and if they're open, closed, or filtered. It's a fast way to peek at what's up. But Nmap's got more juice than that. Let's go stealthy with Nmap-SS and the IP. That -SS is a TCP SYN scan. Super sneaky, cause it just taps the port and bails before fully connecting. If it gets a reply, it knows the port's open, but it's tougher for firewalls to spot. Same output, just quieter vibes. If you're cool with being loud, try Nmap-ST and the IP. This does a full TCP connect, shakes hands with every port, so it's more reliable, but way more noticeable. Bonus: it works without root access, unlike -SS, so it's clutch if you're stuck on a basic account. Want to hit UDP? Go Nmap-SU and the IP. UDP's slower cause there's no handshake. Nmap's just waiting for a pingback. But it's gold for finding DNS on 53 or SNMP on 161. Mix it with TCP using Nmap-SS-SU and the IP to cover both in one sweep. Scanning a whole network? Try Nmap 192.168.10.0/24. That /24 means it's hitting all 256 IPs in that range. You'll see every live device, their ports and services, like a full map of your network. Let's zero in. Say you only want specific ports. Add -P, like Nmap-P 22, 80, 443, and the IP for SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS, or a range, like -P1 to 1000, to check the first 1,000. Want to go big? Nmap-P- and the IP hits all 65,536 ports. Just don't expect it to finish quick. Now, let's dodge some defenses. Throw in -F, like Nmap-F and the IP. That -F fragments packets, breaks them into tiny chunks, so firewalls might not piece it together and block you. Want to get crazier? Double it up with "F" for even smaller fragments. Pair it with -SS, like Nmap-SS-F and the IP, for stealth plus evasion. How about OS and version info? Hit Nmap-A in the IP. It's aggressive. Ports, OS guesses, service versions, even scripts. You might spot Apache 2.4 or Ubuntu pop up. It's loud, so save it for when stealth's not the goal. Timing's key too. Speed it up with -T4, like Nmap-T4 and the IP, or go max with -T5. Faster might miss stuff or trip alarms though. Want to creep slow? Use -T1 or -T2 to stay under the radar. Let's dig into the Nmap Scripting Engine, NSE. 'cause it's where Nmap gets bananas. Add script to run scripts for crazy deep dives. Start easy with Nmap script banner and the IP. It snags banners from ports showing server versions or greetings. Looking for holes? Try Nmap script vuln and the IP. It runs vuln scripts, flagging stuff like outdated software or known exploits with details, like heads up, this could be trouble. Get specific with Nmap script, SSH auth methods, -p22 and the IP to see how SSH logins work, passwords or keys, or Nmap script, HTTP enum-p80, and the IP to hunt web server directories like /admin or /secret. One more NSE trick. Nmap script whois IP and the IP grabs whois data, like who owns it. Also, check firewall rules with Nmap script, firewall bypass and the IP. It probes for weak spots you might slip through. Oh, and ping sweeps. Use Nmap-192.168.19.0/24 to just find live hosts without port scanning, quick and quiet. Or skip pings entirely with -pn like Nmap-pn and the IP if you think a firewall's blocking ICMP. Save it all with -on output.txt, like nmap-a-onscan.txt and the IP for a text dump, or OX for XML if you're feeding it elsewhere. There it is, fam. Basic scans, stealth, UDP, networks, evasion with -f and spoofing, plus NSE madness. Nmap's got tons more. Play with Nmap-help or the docs to keep going. What's your first scan gonna be? Hit the comments, let me know. If this rocked, smash that like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you next time. Keep hacking legally and have fun.